Your table looks good on your computer, but looks terrible when you print it. Hello there, I'm Taiwo from Delight Data Exploration. Welcome back to Write Maths in 5. Remember in episode 5 where we learned how to create clean tables from the beginning? Well, what happens when your table is already broken and you need to fix it? Your borders disappeared, your text looks squished, or your table is split across different pages in a messy way. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix these annoying problems. Let me show you what to click to make it work properly. You know what I'm about to do. I'm about to share my screen and take you through every single step of the way.
All right, welcome back to class. Now, you can see this table. You have some text here that seems to be cut off into the previous column or row. So in case you have this, let's say you're working on a particular work and then you copy the table from a PDF file and then it comes out like this. You know, you can see this text. There's something obviously before this. You know, usually you might want to drag this line front and back. It changes nothing. The other options, you might also want to come here and then come to table layout here and then choose how to fit content, which doesn't work. It even probably makes it a little worse. That now, what I just showed you works for several other tricks. Maybe you're working on the table and then the table is not evenly divided. The text are too long. Or maybe you're copying an SPSS output file, let's say descriptive frequency table, which has quite a number of variables. You just could come to auto-fit, the auto-fit content, auto-fit window. You just put it in the correct frame within the Canva, the workspace. Now, so how do I correct things like this? How do I correct the tables that seems to be like this? So it's very simple. Just you can highlight the column you're dealing with, or you can highlight the entire column. I believe I'm saying this correctly. You know, I usually mix up rows with column. All right, so okay, these are rows, and these are columns. So I'm right. Now, column here. So quickly, you just want to highlight the entire column, and then you come here. This line here, you drag it. So you see, as I'm dragging this, it's adjusting. So that's just all you have to do. Just do that, and then, okay, this also has a similar issue. So if I do for this column, if I drag this, it addresses just that. But now look at what happens when I highlight the entire column, and then I drag. It tells me now two things. Is that I drag the bottom, the left indent, or the first line indent, or the angle indent. I'm particular about the angle indent, so choose this middle with the angle indent, and then you drag. Oh, sorry, not that. It's supposed to take. I'm coming. Oh, okay. Take the first line. All right, then drag the angle. Just ensure that normally it's meant there are times when it drags the two together, but if it doesn't, just do it as I just did. So yeah, that's how you can just format your table if it is messy. Now there are other messy things you can do with your tables. You know, you can have broken borders. You can have, let's say for instance, some of my borders are broken, I don't know how to do that here. Now I don't know how to show you a broken border, but in case you have a messy table and the borders are broken, just highlight the entire thing. You can choose table property, come here, and then come to row. Then this was always checked. I was gonna click it off, then just click it off, allow row to break across pages, so don't allow that, then choose okay. But also what you can do is just come to table layout. I already have table design, I already have some designed tables. You remember in this video I've taught you how that can be done. So just choose any of these layouts. It's correct quite a number of things, you know, in terms of breaking borders and all of that. So this is my preferred table. You see, attaching it to mine. I'm sure you can remember that. If you can't, just go back to our Write Maths in 5 previous episode. We talked about creating tables and format automatically. So choose this, and there you have it. You see, everything has been done.
If this just saved your assignment, click like, share, comment. This is Write Maths in 5. Work smarter, not harder. See you next week.